What's up, YouTube? It's Anthony from Meineke Cinnaminson, working on a 2014 Chevy Cruz 1.4 Turbo. Code was a po299. Most commonly, this is a failed turbocharger. See my previous video about don't buy a used turbocharger. My vendor purchased an eBay turbocharger assembly new, and we installed this, and the customer came back with a po299. So I didn't find any information in my scan tool to really help me diagnose this, so I went into all data and find out what the specified boost values are, which is 1958 to 3190. This turbo was only producing 14 psi worth of boost, and what happened for me was the wastegate rod needed to be adjusted a little bit to get this boost over 14.5 psi. So I don't know if it came through set that way, not adjusted properly from assembly, not sure. I hope this helps you and find that you can resolve an issue with replacing your turbocharger, or if you have a wastegate problem, or so on or so forth. Thanks for watching.